Hi, I'm Jim McGregor from TIRIAS Research, and we're here in Barcelona at Mobile World Congress. And we're recording some videos of some of the most interesting demos and new technologies that we're seeing, so I hope you enjoy them.
Hey, Jim McGregor. I'm here with my good friend from Qualcomm, Ignacio. Ignacio, you're going to tell us today about mmWave. So what do we need to know about mmWave, especially the new generation?
Hi, Jim. Nice to have you here. What we need to do is that what we have here in Hall 3 of Mobile World Congress is not a demonstration. This is a commercial deployment, the first commercial deployment of 5G millimeter wave here in Spain, here at the Fira, thanks to Telefonica and also our friends from Ericsson on the infrastructure side. And here what we're showcasing, if you get closer here, we have been doing kind of a speed test, right? You see on the Movistar network in this location, and we are reaching up to 3.3 gigabits per second. That's like plugging fiber into your phone directly, right? But over the air through a couple of base stations that we have here in Hall 3 of the Fira.
And I can attest that even just using 5G, you're only going to get 20 to 40 meg. So without mmWave, so that is impressive.
Yes, and not only that, because we have not just this device running, but we have here a PC that's running with the speeds of nearly 2 gigabits per second. You follow the graph here. We have also a mobile hotspot that's also downloaded with millimeter wave, all being served by the same network.
And you have an antenna up in the rafters actually beaming this around the show floor.
Telefonica installed a couple of base stations that are covering the whole the whole Hall 3 of the Fira. So even you can walk around corners, like very far in the aisle, and you will still have millimeter wave connection. You will still have gigabit speeds thanks to 5G millimeter wave.
And as a matter of fact, one of the first demos you ever did was at the Qualcomm headquarters, and I remember that because there are curved surfaces, and it was actually bouncing the millimeter wave signal around things. So I mean, that's a great example in the fact that antenna array. How many antennas are in there? Do you know?
I think just a couple of not more than a handful.
So and you're still covering pretty much this whole trade show area.
Because it's capacity at the end. Yes, the range of millimeter wave bouncing around corners and walls can extend through the whole, and you don't need more capacity. This is a commercial network, and all devices compatible with millimeter wave will be able to access the network. But thanks to the bandwidth and the informing capabilities of millimeter wave, we don't have to put more equipment. We're good.
That's impressive. Thank you, Ignacio.
Thank you, Jim. Thanks for having me.
Please remember that TIRIAS Research is a market research and advisory firm. If you want any information about us, please contact us directly at TIRIASresearch.com or at any of our email addresses. That's Jim, Kevin, Steve, or Francis at TIRIASresearch.com.